If you are looking to automate your business processes and simplify tasks for your team without writing a single line of code, then this is for you. My name is Kirill. I am an AQA engineer and certified process automation accredited professional at ENWAY. We help businesses automate sales using Salesforce CRM. Let's jump in. In Salesforce CRM, flows let you build advanced business automation with clicks instead of code. What is a flow? It's an automation setup in Salesforce that looks like a flowchart. Flows automate a business processes by gathering data and using it to trigger actions. These actions can change things in your Salesforce system or even in external systems. The Salesforce Flow Builder is the main drag-and-drop tool used to create these flows in Salesforce CRM. Let's take a closer look at some real-world use cases where Salesforce Flow can make your life easier. 1. When a contact's details change, like an email address or phone number, a flow can automatically update the related account's information, ensuring consistency. 2. After a customer completes a survey, a flow can trigger a follow-up action, such as sending a thank you email or notifying the support team if the customer leaves negative feedback. 3. A flow can automate approval processes. For instance, when a discount request comes in, the flow sends it to the manager for approval and notifies the sales rep of the outcome. Sounds cool, right? Here is the basic Salesforce flow that automates the process of determining a discount for an account based on certain conditions. Any flow has three main parts: elements, connectors, and resources. Elements are nodes on the canvas. These are the steps that make things happen, like creating records, sending emails, or applying discounts. Elements interact with users, data, or the flow itself. Connectors are the lines that guide the flow's path. They tell the flow what to do next. Some connectors lead the flow down a different path in certain situations, but most of the time the flow simply moves from one element to the next. Resources are variables, formulas, or data collections that your flow uses. They don't show up on the canvas, but are referenced by the elements. You can create resources or let the elements make them for you. Now, let's talk about the different types of the flows you can build. There are four main types to know about. 1. Screen flow. Screen flows are interactive flows that guide users through a series of screens, collecting inputs and updating records in real time. These are ideal for use cases like onboarding customers or creating custom forms. 2. Record-triggered flow. These flows are triggered when a specific action happens to a record, like when a new opportunity is closed and you need to update customer records or trigger renewal processes. 3. Schedule-triggered flow. Such flows are scheduled to run at specific times for tasks like generating monthly reports or updating records in bulk at the end of each day. And 4. Platform event-triggered flow. These flows respond to platform events in real time. They are used when external systems send events to Salesforce, such as an order payment confirmation or shipment notification. That's all for now. I hope this helped you understand what Salesforce Flow is and how it can help automate processes in your business. Not sure where to start with Flow? Contact ENWAY through the link in the description for expert help. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to get the most out of Salesforce. See you next time!